before you waste weeks making video no one wanna watch. Let me show you how to launch and explode your YouTube channel in just 30 days. Most beginners are doing it all wrong. They buy expensive cameras, waste time on fancy editing, and then wonder why their channel is stuck at 0 views. What if I told you that a small group of new creators are using a proven system to get views, subscribers, and even monetize within their first month? In this video, I'll break down week by week blueprint to help you start your YouTube channel the right way and shortcut the path to YouTube success. And trust me, this isn't a theory. This is what's working right now. So grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's get started. Week number 1, you're not going to film video yet. Wait. Most people jump straight into filming. That's why they fail. In week 1, you're building your strategy so that every video you make has the highest chance of success. Here's what to focus on. Who is your channel for? The biggest mistake new creators make, they don't know who they're making video for. You need to define your audience. What are their interests, their problem, their goal? For example, if your channel is about YouTube growth, your audience might be new to YouTube who want to get monetized fast. But if you don't define your audience, your video will be ignored. Step 2. Choose a format that works. Talking head videos, vlogs, tutorial. Pick one format and stick with it. Here's the secret. New creators struggle with vlogs because no one knows them yet. Start with how-to or story-based videos because they attract new viewers faster. Number 3, research and analyze top creators. Find 5 channels in your niche, study them. What type of video do they make? What title and thumbnail do they use? Which video has the most views? Take what's working and put your own spin on it. Week 1 checklist, define your audience, pick your content format, study 5 successful YouTube channels. Let's move on to week 2. Setting up your channel. Now let's build the foundation of your YouTube channel, but don't waste hours on this. Set it up and move on. Number 1, profile, picture, and banner. Your profile pic should be simple and clear. Clutter, no tiny details. Your banner should tell people what your channel is about in 3 seconds. Step 2, your first video. Do this right. Your first video should not be "no one cares yet." Start with a searchable topic that solves a problem for your audience. Small channel must do now. Step 3, film and upload. Don't wait until everything is perfect. Just post a video, but make sure you have a solid title and thumbnail. Otherwise, no one will click. Week 2 checklist. Create a simple profile picture and a banner. Research a high demand first video. Film and post your first video. Week 3, content creation and batching. You have post your first video now. We start building momentum. Number 1, batching. More growth, less stress. Instead of filming 1 video at a time, batch 3 to 4 video in 1 session. Why? Because YouTube reward consistency. And batching, make sure you never run out of content. Step 2, create shorts for extra exposure. YouTube shorts are exploding right now, and a single short can bring thousands of views and new subscribers. But don't post random short. Use short to highlight your best long form video. Week 3 checklist complete. Batch, film at least 3 videos. Create YouTube short to promote your main content. Week 4, monetization and going viral. At this point, you have videos set up and running. Now let's make YouTube work for you. Step 1, master YouTube SEO, search engine optimization. YouTube reward videos that is understand, but most creators don't optimize their video, so they never get found. Start a YouTube channel in 2025. Therefore, use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to find the best keywords. Where to use keywords? Title, description, tag. Step 2, monetization strategy. Most YouTubers wait too long to start making money, but you don't need 1,000 subscribers to monetize. Start using affiliate marketing or selling a simple product. Step 3, engage and improve. Reply to every comment. Study your analytics, what's working, what's not. Keep testing and improving. Week 4 checklist. complete. Use SEO to rank higher, start thinking about monetization, engage with your audience, and analyze your performance. Final words: if you follow this 30-day plan, you have a full setup YouTube channel, several high-quality videos, a system to grow consistently, but this just the beginning. Therefore, in my next video, I'll reveal the biggest mistakes that kill new YouTube channels so you can avoid them and grow even faster. Click here to watch my next video. Remember to hit that subscribe button, notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos.